Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Venice AI and ChatGPT to help you decide which AI tool is better in 2025. So let's break it down into key categories. Number 1, interface and user experience. Venice AI is known for its minimalist, distraction-free workspace, appealing especially to writers and marketers. It provides a seamless flow between tasks like prompt editing, saving, and referencing. ChatGPT, on the other hand, offers a more robust UI with options for voice, image, and memory-based conversations. It's better suited for multitasking professionals and developers. Number 2, output quality and accuracy. ChatGPT, which is powered by GPT-4o, excels in natural language generation, especially in technical and educational domains, while Venice AI is impressive for brand-oriented writing, like blog posts, landing pages, and copywriting, but it sometimes lacks depth in factual accuracy. ChatGPT is generally better for research-heavy outputs, while Venice delivers faster with fluff-free drafts. Number 3, customization and tools. Venice AI provides built-in frameworks like the AIDA formula, SEO structuring tools, and tone selectors tailored for marketing content. ChatGPT now allows execution and custom instructions, file uploads, and code, making it more versatile for developers, students, and researchers. For power users, ChatGPT offers more control and breadth. Number 4, integrations and ecosystem. ChatGPT connects with a broad ecosystem, such as Microsoft 365 apps, coding APIs, and even image and video tools. While Venice AI is more focused, but it does offer integrations with Notion, WordPress, and email platforms, which is helpful for solo creators and content teams. Number 5, their pricing and plans. Venice AI starts cheaper with simple pricing, while ChatGPT Plus is at $20 a month, offers more advanced features, but it has also a free plan. In terms of value, ChatGPT gives more bang for the buck if you need flexibility beyond writing. So for final verdict, you can choose Venice AI for content creators looking for quick, clean copy, and ChatGPT is better for all-around tool for deep search, coding, and AI-powered workflows. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.